Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name's Michelle, and for today's video, let's talk about some of my very first impressions for my new Louis Vuitton On The Go GM. And I have been using this bag pretty much every single day for work. And ever since I got this bag in September 2021, I haven't really been using my Petite Noe and also my Speedy 30. I've just been more so gravitating towards this one because it really is just so amazing and it fits so much. And so in this video, I will go ahead and show you how I've been organizing my stuff in this bag. Some things that I really like about this bag, and then some things that I don't not necessarily like about the bag, but I would change. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright, so let's check out the inside of my Louis Vuitton On The Go GM. And again, this one is in the Empreinte leather, and just check out how gorgeous this leather is. It's so soft and I just love it so much. But yeah, so as for the inside, I do have an organizer in here, and it does a really great job to help keep me organized. As you can see, I use majority of the pockets, and yeah, so let's go from, let's go from front to back. So over here, I do have my AirPods, and I just usually connect it to this little D-ring. This D-ring though is not really supposed to be for that. It's supposed to be used to help clasp the bag closed, but I don't really do that. So yeah, I just use it to hang my AirPods, and I like that because it's really easy for me to just grab my AirPods. So next I have my Louis Vuitton Desk Agenda cover, and I put it inside of this big pocket here, and I really like it instead of putting my agenda here because it really helps just keep it closed and it's not like opening or anything like that, so I really like it over there. These pockets here, let me take this out. These pockets, they're actually really big, so I can fit like a lot of items in here. So in this one I have both my key pouch and also my 4-key holder. In here I have my DR saddle flap card holder. In this pocket I have my Louis Vuitton jean wallet, and over here I just have some masks. In this larger pocket I carry a cosmetic pouch, and in this one, let me see if I can open it with one hand. In here I have just some toiletries. So I have lotion, hand sanitizer, Vaseline, and a pad, and I think perfume. So the other thing that I also had in there was the 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. And this one is such a good book. I'm not done with it just yet. I've only read like a little bit of it. But to be honest, the essays that I have already read, they're just so good, and I just can't wait to just continue reading it. Next, we have my mini Pachette, and it's actually in this like the drink holder. I have been actually using this for like drinks, but just today, just showed you whatever I had. And this one is the mini Pachette, and in here I have just a couple of lip products and stuff like that. And I think that is basically it. I know there is 2 other pockets here, but I don't really use them, and then I just have more masks there. And in here, I don't think I have anything. Yeah, nothing. But yeah, that is basically all of the things that I have inside of my Louis Vuitton On The Go GM. If I did want to, I could also put in a laptop. And yeah, this bag is just so amazing, and it carries so much. Alright, so a couple of things that I really love about this bag is that it is so big. It's really perfect for work and for travel. I can fit all of the things that I really want inside of it, even though I didn't show you guys. But if I wanted to, it can fit my 13-inch MacBook Pro in my Etui Voyage. It also can fit like a 16-inch MacBook if that's what you have as well. I really do just love the leather. I'm so glad I went with this option. And on the inside, it has this really beautiful orange color. I kind of wish that I spent the extra money to get the matching color from Samorga, because I feel like it's a better color match. But to be honest, like this one from Zumoni gets the job done just fine, and it does the exact same thing. It's just the color is just off. Something else about this bag is that I really like how comfortable the straps are. When I'm wearing it on my shoulder and this thing is really heavy, like it's really fine just to carry with the shoulder straps. I don't really carry it with the top handles too much unless I have like not that much in it, because it is really heavy if it is packed to the brim. And one time I actually like waited when I had like my laptop in here, my Toiletries Pouch 26, because I needed to carry like a lot of my electronics, and then like a book and my mini Pachette and whatever, like all of this stuff. And it came out to over 10 pounds, this bag. So yeah, it can get really heavy. A part of me too kind of gets worried that these straps here won't be able to carry the load for my bag, but it looks just fine. So yeah, I'm not too worried about that anymore, because I've been using this bag every single day and it looks just fine. Something that I also want to mention that I haven't really gotten to see or notice is this bag doesn't really have any bag sag, but I don't know if it's because I have a bag organizer inside holding all of my stuff. But as you can see, I think there is a possibility of it having, like, if you have something really heavy in here, that it can get a little bit saggy. But I do have an organizer in here, so I think that might potentially help with the bag sag. So if I were to change something about this bag, like my other bags, the ones that don't have feet, I would love for this bag to have feet, just because I want to keep like the bottom kind of nice and clean, but it looks pretty good, and I've like slipped and slided this like on the carpet and stuff like that, and it looks just fine. But yeah, I think that's something that I would change, because I don't know, I just feel like feet make such a big difference. And I have my Montaigne BB right over here, and this one has feet, and I just love that for her. And something else in the past that I have wanted to change, but I don't really mind it anymore, much so, is that these straps are not removable, and that's fine, because I guess I use these straps so often that I would always probably just keep it on the bag anyways, so that's totally fine with me. One thing though is, like, if I'm not using them, I just kind of have to like stuff them inside of the bag just like this, and I don't know, I just feel like it kind of looks a little bit messy, but that's totally fine. But yeah, overall I am really loving this bag. It has only been 4 months, so I will give another update. I do want to see like how it travels though, because in my mind I feel like this would be a really great bag for like when I'm going on road trips and things like that. And also I need to see like how this fits like under a seat of an airplane seat, you know, because I kind of feel like it might be too big where I can't keep it standing, because I don't want to have to lay it down. So yeah, those are just some things that I kind of want to also see as well. But overall I'm really happy with this bag, and I highly recommend it if you are looking into this bag, because it really is just the perfect tote bag. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions about the Louis Vuitton On The Go GM. I did get the one in Empreinte leather, and this one is so amazing. But yeah, hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!